how to find Facebook QR code. If you want to find your Facebook QR code, it's fairly simple for us to do so. What we have to do for this is we have to go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Facebook app. Once we launch the Facebook app, this is the interface that we will be able to see. Now what we want to do from here is tap on the search icon from the top right hand side of the screen. From the search icon, just type in QR code. Now this has to be done on a mobile, by the way, and not your PC. So when you search for QR code, right at the top you'll find this option called QR code. Now don't go to these groups and so on, they are external links, but this is the one that you want right at the very top, and just tap on it. Now you'll be asked to enter or scan someone else's QR code, but since you want to find your own QR code, you have to just tap on the My Code option from the top right, and this is your QR code, and when people scan this, they will be able to come to your Facebook profile page, and that way I can go ahead and then find my QR code on Facebook. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.